Heat pumps are a set of heating and cooling systems that replace existing furnaces and air conditioners, giving the most comfortable temperature output according to the outdoor temperature. Using an outside air source transfers heat from one location to another. Now, Vancouver rebate of a heat pump is up to $17,600, including Canada Greener Homes Grant, $5,600 max, BC Better Homes Program, $6,000 max, Vancouver Municipal Rebate, $6,000 max. Our heat pump highlight: 10-year unlimited part warranty, high efficiency, up to 20 SEER 10.5 HSPF, variable speed compressor, sound levels down to 45 dBA on outdoor unit minimum, eco-friendly R410A refrigerant, ultra-high quality performance. Get a good price on heat pumps from AireEnergy. You will get a huge discount on heat pump. Call us today at 604-265-8269.